with me because I'm Stella V. And if you like what you see, hit subscribe, leave a comment, tell me that you subscribed, and I'll reply. Spaghetti with clam sauce. So delicious. I do hope you try it. With these few simple pantry ingredients, you can be ready for any company, even last minute. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and I promise I'll reply. And here are the few simple ingredients. We have some tinned clams, the clam juice, some white wine, shallots and garlic, some butter, and the seasonings are some dried parsley and some Old Bay seasoning. We'll also be using the juice and zest of 1 lemon. And in order to zest your lemon, you should have a microplane. It is the very best tool to quickly and easily zest a complete lemon. And if you look in the description below, you will see a link for microplane products on Amazon. We're going to be making a traditional dish of pasta in a very new way by using the Instant Pot. Now that the pot is hot, we'll be adding just a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. We're adding 1 chopped shallot. And now you can hear that shallot sizzling. That's what we're looking for. We're going to let it cook out for a minute or 2 before we add the garlic. We're now adding 2 tablespoons of butter and let that mix in. And time to add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And again, keep stirring so everything is coated with that lovely oil and butter. And boy, it smells delicious. Time now to add half a cup of white wine. And that sound is the sound of the white wine deglazing the pot. Give it a good stir. Make sure there's nothing sticking to the bottom. We're ready to add our 2 cups of broth. Time to add our 2 cups of clam juice. And our seasonings. We have our dried parsley and our Old Bay. Give everything a good stir. And the last remaining liquid is the lemon juice. Just a quick little stir, and we're ready to add the pasta. Now we cancel the sauté function. In order to cook spaghetti in an Instant Pot, we're going to do something that most Italians would cringe at, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. We have to snap the spaghetti in half. And now we place the spaghetti in a crisscross pattern, and we're pressing down in order to have all the liquid cover each strand. But do not stir. We're putting the lid on, and we're making sure that the button is set to sealing. And now we're setting the pressure, 6 minutes high pressure. Now the 6 minutes cook time is up, and we're ready to release the rest of that steam. The release button has dropped, so now we're ready to open up the lid and take a look at our pasta. Now we'll give it a stir just to make sure there's no strands sticking together. Now it's time to hit the cancel button, and we're going to saute once more. The sauce is luscious and delicious and heating up, and we're going to be adding all those lovely clams to it now. And notice we waited until the end of the pressure cook before we added the clams. It's really because the clams are already cooked, we just have to warm them up. And now we're ready to plate. That sauce is thick and creamy and delicious, and all we have to do is garnish with a little fresh chopped parsley. I can't wait to dig in and try this. It's lemony, it's clams, it's just delicious, luscious sauce, and perfectly al dente pasta. I do hope you try it. Leave me a comment and I'll be sure to reply.